Case study: Enhancing Productivity with AI in a Global Tech Company. In today's fast-paced business environment, companies are constantly seeking ways to enhance productivity and efficiency. This case study explores how a global tech company leveraged AI-driven solutions to significantly improve its operational productivity. The company, Tech Innovators, Inc., operates in over 30 countries and employs more than 10,000 people. Despite its success, the company faced challenges in managing its vast amount of data, streamlining workflows, and maintaining high levels of productivity across its global teams. Tech Innovators, Inc. identified several key areas where productivity was being hampered. Data overload. Employees spent a significant amount of time sorting through large volumes of data to find relevant information. Inefficient workflows. Manual processes were time-consuming and prone to errors. Communication barriers. Coordinating across different time zones and languages led to delays and misunderstandings. To address these challenges, Tech Innovators, Inc. implemented several AI-driven solutions. AI-powered data analytics. The company deployed AI algorithms to analyze large data sets quickly and accurately. This reduced the time employees spent on data analysis and allowed them to focus on more strategic tasks. Automated workflows. By integrating AI into their workflow management system, the company automated routine tasks such as data entry, scheduling, and report generation. This not only increased efficiency, but also reduced the likelihood of human error. AI-enhanced communication tools. The company adopted AI-powered communication tools that provided real-time translation and transcription services. This facilitated smoother communication between teams in different countries and improved collaboration. The implementation of AI-driven solutions led to significant improvements in productivity. Time savings. Employees reported a 30% reduction in time spent on data-related tasks. Increased efficiency. Automated workflows reduced the time required to complete routine tasks by 40%. Improved collaboration. AI-enhanced communication tools led to a 25% increase in cross-team collaboration and a reduction in communication-related delays. Tech Innovators, Inc.'s adoption of AI-driven solutions demonstrates the transformative potential of AI in enhancing productivity. By addressing key pain points and streamlining operations, the company was able to achieve significant time savings, increased efficiency, and improved collaboration. This case study highlights the importance of leveraging AI to stay competitive in a rapidly evolving business landscape.